Parang sarap uminom ngayon. Lamig kasi ng panahon. Meron ba tayong paborito natin dyan?
That's his passion. Yeah. That's why they're putting it out.
We have no social contacts, no home underground. You leave him with that?
Captain Captain, I've just spoken to my superiors. I'm afraid my gentlemen will need a full accounting of that.
We're trying to do everything on this list right now, Mr. Joe. In the meantime, we've been accepting those forms of option. We're going to be taking materials and food. The medical supplies that they need for the
Grandma Light ang aming gusto. Grandma Light ang aming gusto. Suwabeng-suwabe ang dating, ang gaan-gaan pa ng gising. Kaya Grandma Light ang aming gusto. Gaan na gusto ko. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pagkatapos ng trabaho, pag-gimik ang grupo, Grandma Light ang aming gusto. Pag manalo, matalo, kulitan o seryoso, Grandma Light ang aming gusto. Kaya yayain ang tropa, game na barkada, itagay na ang Grandma Lights. Grandma Lights ang aming gusto. Grandma Lights ang aming gusto. Suwabeng-suwabe ang dating, ang gaan-gaan pa ng gising. Kaya Grandma Lights ang aming gusto. Gaan na gusto ko.